This is such a great question because it's so easy and obvious if you just play dumb and don't overthink it. But lots of people get very mathy here, and you can't. If we think about our strategies, it's really obvious what we should do, okay? We are given an equation and a bunch of points, and we know that one of our strategies, my favorite strategy, is to plug points into equations. Now, which point do I plug in? Well, be lazy. Pick the easiest thing, and from the start, the easiest thing is going to be the point with the 0 as the x. So look, there's a lot of variables in the equation that we're given. There's a lot of unknowns, but you can't think too far ahead and worry too much about that. Trust the process. Let the process solve the question for you. If we plug the point in, what happens? Well, f of x is 4, so that's my y coordinate basically. A is unknown, b is unknown, but x is 0. And now with the properties of exponents, we've done a really good thing. The 0 is going to make the b completely disappear because anything raised to the 0 power is 1. So what this really is 4 is equal to a times 1. So we can just simplify that slightly further. A is 4. Great, that's awesome, but I don't want A, I want B. So what do we do next? Well, we just go to the next point and we see what happens when we plug that in. But now when we do that, we know more information. 2 is the value of y. A we now know is 4, so I can plug that in. I still don't know b, but I now have an x value of 1, which is very convenient because when I simplify this, I just get that 2 is equal to 4b. This is a very simple algebra situation. The exponent is gone, and so we divide by 4, and we can reduce that fraction to find that b is 1/2, and that is the answer. That's it. We don't need a complex understanding of the trends of exponential equations to get this right. We do need to know the exponential identities, what exponents of 0 and 1 do for us, but other than that, you're just plugging in the easiest numbers and you're seeing what happens, and guess what? What happens is exactly what you needed to happen. Trust the process, and you'll be surprised how many very hard-looking questions suddenly become very, very easy.